Here I've got Nokia 6.1 and let me show you how to locate serial number and IMEI number on the following device. So we will start with serial number. At first open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, here you've got serial number for your device. Click on OK to go back. And now we will locate both IMEI numbers, as you've got two slots for SIM. So at first open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open System. Here pick About Phone, and if you will scroll down a bit, you will notice both IMEI numbers for your Nokia 6.1. So that's actually all. This is how you can locate both numbers. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.